Hello guys, how are you? This is your friend the Great Lovius. I'm back again. The weather is still amazing for some party happening outdoors. So why don't we pack our gear, go do some barbecue, call people at the pool and go camping. But please make sure you keep your safe distance and please make sure you carry yourself with this beautiful bad boy that we have got for you. Guys, we've got Swicht WS-Ultra. This is a portable speaker which packs a lot of power and is an amazing product. Now we've tested it out. It looks amazing. We packed it up, back up so that we can show you what it is and how it packs inside and what's inside it. So guys, as you can see on the box, pretty simple. Some basic features here. Branding to show you that it is definitely water resistant, and some lifestyle pictures and some more technical information at the back. So let's get straight on to opening this. Not too complex. You will get this bad boy rolling and voila, guys, as you can see, it's a beautiful looking product, and inside it also is the box which carries nothing but a charging cable, to be honest, and some papers. Yes, as you can see. And it also carries an adapter, just in case you want to plug in directly from your mobile phone, old ones, not the new ones. And of course, it's got a Type-C charging cable as well. Now we're going to tell you all about the charging and all about the adapters and everything about this beautiful looking hardware. As you can see, first thing, sturdy, beautiful looking. This has got a very chic, military kind of look, which gives it a very unique and a beautiful feel. On the body, very firm and steady handle, and my favorite, the shoulder strap. So all you have to do is when you're going out partying is just put it around your shoulders and you're good to go. So let's start with some basics. So 60 watts of power. So amazing stuff. Now, while this beautiful thing is rough and rugged, as the look and feel of it is, and it is 60 watts of output. Very powerful. And once you've charged this bad boy fully up, it can go up to 10 to 12 hours of music time. But of course, that's at 50% volume. It'll reduce a little bit if you turn it at full blast, but I am sure that you are not going to do that, because we keep our neighbors happy when we go out partying, so make sure we don't disturb them. And you can see on the body, on the very simple, very elegant, nothing complex at all. And once we remove this cover, which is for water resistance, as you can see, auxiliary cable input here, Type-C, and it's got a USB port as well, so you can actually charge your mobile phone with it just in case you're running out of battery, which is quite cool, isn't it? And then you put this back on. Of course you do. It is amazing. So it is purely wireless, so all you have to do is Bluetooth connection, TWS, so you've got a stereo sound and you are good to go. This is a huge speaker system in its own self. It has got a great quality sound, which is powered by DSP, which is digital signal processing technology. When you got 2 full range drivers and then 2 bass drivers to give you that beautiful 60 watt output, 7,200 mAh rechargeable battery, and as we said, 10 plus hours with 50% volume. So if you're going out for an evening, and you can feel the bass when it moves on this side, so great. It also has an integrated microphone on top right here. Let me see if I can show you. These are the microphones here. So in case while you're having a party, a call comes in, you don't have to disconnect. You can just simply use these microphones to answer the calls as well. IPX6 waterproof, which means splashes around the pool and sprays around can be tolerated very easily by this. And you saw 3.5 mm auxiliary plug as well, just in case you want to plug it in, and a USB Type-C for the charging, and of course a USB port to charge your phone as well. So that is a great stuff to have. So for me, it makes it perfect to carry it with me when we played music on it. Now, a little bit of technicals is, of course, it can go up to 10 meters of distance. So your phone or the unit that you're connected with can go up to 10 meters, which is quite nice. 2 20 watt speakers and 2 10 watt speakers to make it a total of 60 watt output. And the charging time on this bad boy is about 3 to 4 hours. So once you charged up in 3 to 4 hours, you're good to go for 10 hours of music playing at a decent volume. Now, my honest feedback, a great looking product, great sturdy, great features, especially with the mobile charging port as well. Only drawback I saw was, I think the bass is brilliant, but the trebles were quite weak there. So couldn't get that depth that I was looking for, but in a party, I think in an open air, it does make a little bit sense to give a little bit more bass than the treble. But apart from that, a great looking product, a very sturdy one, and amazing one. And this is what we're doing. We're giving this bad boy away. One of these, all you have to do is like, share, and comment on our video. Let us know what is the favorite feature of your Swicht WS-Ultra. And we will be giving you one of these bad boys away, one of you lucky winners. If you're watching us on YouTube, don't forget to press the subscribe button and the notification icon. And if you're watching us on Facebook, like and follow us there on Instagram and TikTok as well. Please do follow us there. The handle across is @GreatLobbyist, and our website is www.greatlobbyist.com. Go check that out as well. We're just introducing some very amazing features and cool features on the website as well. And this is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, signing off with beautiful looking product from Swicht. And you can check their website as well, which is www.justswicht.com. So this is your friend, the Great Lobbyist. Keep yourself safe, and especially when you're going out party, please make sure you keep yourself distancing and keep yourself sanitized. Peace.